To create a Wix website on your mobile device, start by downloading and installing the Wix mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a Website. You will be asked to sign in or create a new account. Choose the option that applies to you. Next, select the type of website you want to create, such as a business, blog, or online store. Choose a template that suits your needs. Wix offers a wide range of mobile-friendly templates. Tap on the template to preview it and then tap on Edit to start customizing. Customize your website by adding text, images, and other elements. Use the drag and drop editor to move elements around and arrange them as you like. Add pages to your website by tapping on the Add Page button. You can add pages such as About, Contact, and Services. To add images, tap on the Add Image button and select an image from your gallery or take a new photo. You can also add videos, audio files, and other media to your website. Use the settings icon to change the background, font, and color scheme of your website. Once you have customized your website, tap on the Preview button to see how it looks. Make any necessary changes and then tap on the Publish button to make your website live. You will need to choose a domain name or connect a domain you already own. Finally, tap on the Upgrade button to choose a premium plan that suits your needs. Wix offers a range of plans, including a free plan, and each plan has its own features and limitations. Choose a plan that fits your budget and website needs. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking Wix website on your mobile device. Remember to keep your website updated and fresh by regularly adding new content and making changes as needed.